Hi, Serena from the auto station. Everyone's been doing a little bit less driving over this past year, and here's a great example as why that is an issue. When the vehicle sits, you do get some issues with rust buildup on the rotors. When that happens, it does increase your stopping distance as well as the functionality of the brakes. So best way to correct that is to obviously replace the brakes and then drive the vehicle at least once a week. If you do need some attention to your brakes, please give me a call. Serena at the auto station.